Hey there! Imagine this. A world without constant notifications, without the buzz of busy streets, without the endless noise. A world where you can just sit in pure, golden silence. In that quiet, there's a kind of magic waiting for you. A magic that can transform your life, boost your success, and yes, skyrocket your growth. Today, we're going to dive into the power of silence and how embracing it can be the key to becoming the best version of yourself. Everywhere we go, we're surrounded by noise. And I don't just mean sound, I mean distractions, pressures, expectations. It's like our brains are being pulled in a million directions, right? But let me tell you a story. Imagine a young professional. Let's call him Alex. Alex was always running from meeting to meeting, running after goals, running through life like it was a race. But something felt off. No matter how hard he worked, he felt stuck, like he was spinning his wheels. Then one day he stumbled upon something amazing, the concept of silence. I am open to stillness and the clarity it brings. In the quiet, I discover my path. In silence, Alex found something he hadn't realized he was missing himself. He started to practice moments of silence every morning, just a few minutes to be with his own thoughts. And in that silence, he discovered clarity, purpose, and an untapped strength within him. You might be thinking, is silence really that powerful? Let's talk science for a second. When we allow our minds to rest in silence, our brains actually start to work better. Studies have shown that silence helps with concentration, creativity, and problem solving. It gives our brains a break, a chance to reset. Think of it as a power-up for your mind. In moments of silence, my mind is renewed. I am focused, clear, and ready to conquer my goals. So how do you actually use silence to boost your success? It's simpler than you might think. You don't have to sit cross-legged on a mountaintop, unless you want to. Instead, try starting your day with just a few minutes of silence. Picture this. You wake up and before diving into the day, you sit quietly with yourself. No phone, no to-do lists, just you and your thoughts. In those few minutes, you can set your intentions, remind yourself of your goals, and give yourself a moment to just be. Each morning, I take time to connect with myself. In silence, I find my strength and purpose. Silence as a tool for inner growth. Silence isn't just about clearing your mind, it's about growing too. When you sit in silence, you're allowing yourself space to reflect. Think about the things you want, the things that make you happy, and the dreams that truly matter to you. This inner growth is like fuel for your journey to success. Imagine Alex again. He starts each evening with a quiet moment of reflection. He thinks about what went well, what he can improve, and he allows himself to dream big without limits. I welcome silence as a friend in my journey. It helps me grow, learn, and become my best self. Silence in the face of challenges. Life can be overwhelming, can it? Sometimes we're faced with challenges that feel too big to handle. But here's the thing, silence is a powerful tool for resilience. When you feel overwhelmed, take a moment to pause, breathe, and find strength in the quiet. Alex uses silence to calm himself before big presentations, to gather his thoughts when things get tough, and to remind himself that he's capable of overcoming anything. In challenging times, I find peace in silence. I am resilient, strong, and ready for whatever comes my way. Silence for clarity and decision-making. One of the most beautiful things about silence is that it brings clarity. In those quiet moments, you can hear your own inner voice, the one that guides you toward the right choices. When you give yourself time to think, to just be, you're able to make better decisions. In silence, I gain clarity. My choices are guided by wisdom and purpose. Building confidence through silence. Silence is also a powerful tool for building confidence. When you spend time with yourself, you learn to trust yourself. You realize that you are capable, that you have all the answers within you. This confidence is the foundation for true success. Imagine Alex before a big interview or presentation. Instead of feeling anxious, he takes a moment of silence, reminding himself of his skills, his strengths, and his worth. I trust in myself and my abilities. In silence, I find the confidence to succeed. Cultivating a success mindset through silence. Silence is a place where we can dream and visualize our success. When we close our eyes and imagine our goals, we're setting a powerful intention. Take a few minutes every day to visualize your dreams, feel the success in your heart, and believe in your journey. I am capable of achieving my dreams. In silence, I see my success unfolding before me. Practical tips for practicing silence daily. All right, let's talk about some easy ways to incorporate silence into your daily life. 1. Morning silence. Start each day with 5 minutes of quiet reflection. 2. Quiet breaks. Take a few minutes during the day to pause and clear your mind. 3. Evening reflection. Before bed, sit quietly to review your day and set intentions for tomorrow. Each of these moments in silence brings you closer to growth, success, and inner peace. I make time for silence each day. It grounds me, inspires me, and connects me to my true self. Conclusion. Embrace the power of silence. Silence is more than just a lack of noise. It's a powerful force for growth, clarity, and success. When we embrace silence, we're giving ourselves the gift of focus, resilience, and purpose. So, take time every day to sit in silence, to listen to yourself, and to let your dreams guide you forward. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, the path to success isn't always loud. It's often found in the quiet moments when you're truly in tune with yourself.